Welcome to this video presentation, How to Avoid Getting Burned in the Markets, presented by FFR Trading. In this series, we'll equip you with practical trading and investing knowledge while helping you to avoid the many pitfalls and mistakes many traders and investors make. In this week's video, we'll discuss trading psychology. But first, let me introduce you to who we are here at FFR Trading and what our role is. FFR Trading is a due diligence firm for various investment and trading services. We've worked with dozens of traders in all markets, including stocks, options, futures, and Forex. In a nutshell, we've uncovered the mistakes so many people make when considering trading or investing strategies. Our goal is to find solid investment and trading opportunities that we can pass along to you. We hope that this video can help avoid some of the same pitfalls many investors fall into and help provide a primer on the markets, though not a comprehensive thesis on the subject. For advanced education on the markets, we will discuss the unlimited literature available on specific topics. Chapter 10. Trading Psychology. Are you cut out for this? Trading psychology is an important topic to touch on since this can play a huge part in your success or failure as an active trader or investor. Great traders have a crystal clear understanding of their psychological weaknesses. They also have an intimate knowledge about their emotional relationship with money. Money is neither good nor bad. It simply magnifies what's inside you. Here are a few questions you'll want to answer before you begin to trade and invest. First, are you afraid to enter a trade after a string of losses? How do you handle losses? Do you blame yourself? Do you overtrade just because you want something to do? Do you trade simply for excitement? Do you create drama for drama's sake? Do you get cocky after a string of winners? Do you fail to exit a trade for fear of losing those extra profits even though your system says to exit? Do you have a poverty mentality? Do you always seem to give money back to the markets no matter how much money you make? And finally, do you self-sabotage? Are you money repellent? Are you ashamed of being wealthy? We realize that these are not easy questions, but the issues they reveal must be dealt with in order to consistently succeed in the markets. Many excellent books have been written on trading psychology. Here are a few to consider. The Psychology of Trading. Tools and Techniques for Minding the Markets by Brett Steenbarger. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. 12 Habitudes of Highly Successful Traders by Ruth Roosevelt. And The Disciplined Trader, Developing Winning Attitudes by Mark Douglas. In conclusion, know that there is still money to be made in the markets. Take it slow. Find strategies that match your unique personality. If possible, work with a trading team or at least one other person. They'll be able to see your blind spots when you can't. Above all, don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. At the end of the day, it's only money. Your family, friends, and your health matter most. Aim for a balanced life. If you aren't getting some enjoyment out of trading or investing, then chances are you might be in the wrong profession. Well, thanks for joining us. We hope this video has helped you on your journey to success in the markets. If you would like to obtain your own copy of our book, How to Avoid Getting Burned in the Markets, email us at support@ffrtrading.com.